guide to a safe and quality repair after a collision. Modern vehicles are very different than they once were. Tolerances are measured in millimeters. Computers and sensors control critical components from the front of the vehicle to the back. There are now semi-autonomous cars and high-voltage electric cars. New vehicles frequently come with automatic braking, lane departure warning systems, headlights that bend to the road, and many more features designed to protect you and your family's safety. If you are in an accident and all the systems that are interconnected within your vehicle are not repaired correctly, you and your family's safety could be at serious risk. There is more to car insurance than simply saving money. Insurance is intended to protect you from the economic impact of an accident, and therefore it is crucial that you ask the insurance company before you purchase car insurance the right questions about what will happen after an accident. Number 1. Will your insurance company tell the repair shop how to fix your car, or will they defer to the trained repair experts when deciding how your car will be repaired? Number 2. Will your insurance company insist that cheap, off-brand imitation parts be used for the repair, or will they pay for quality, original equipment manufacturer replacement parts? Number 3. Will your insurance company insist on paying the lowest hourly rate to repair your car? Or will they pay what is required to have a certified collision shop, trained by the factory, make repairs safely and properly? Number 4. Will your insurance company follow all OEM requirements outlined in their car repair procedures to ensure safe and proper repairs? Number 5. Will your insurance company attempt to settle a claim by looking at photos virtually? Or will someone physically inspect the damages to make sure all damage is identified and repaired? Number 6. The supply chain issues are causing significant delays in receiving parts, and those delays can be made worse if your insurance company stalls first and supplemental inspections and in reaching a settlement amount with the repair shop. So will you have to pay out-of-pocket rental charges due to unavoidable delays? Sometimes saving money on your premium is not as important as the safety of your family. Be a better educated consumer by asking your insurance company these questions and demanding they pay what is necessary to restore your damaged vehicle back to pre-loss, safe operating condition after a collision. You and your family's safety is depending on that. Visit www.keepyourfamilysafe.net for more information.